Hi, this is Javin Kharod. As per our topic, centrifugal pump short question, we have started another few questions on centrifugal pumps. Right? Okay. What are four type of pumps? Centrifugal pumps are the type of pump they are most commonly used worldwide. The types: vertical centrifugal pump, horizontal centrifugal pump, submersible pump, fire hydrant system, diaphragm pump, gear pump, and peristatic pump. What are type of positive displacement pump? Now it's very important questions. It is divided subtype. Reciprocating pump such as bladder, diaphragm, peristatic, piston and plunger, and rotary pump, gear, screw, progressing, cavity, rotary, lobe, rotary valve, that are such examples are positive displacement pump. What are the three type of rotodynamic pump? Rotodynamic pump are generally divided into three classes: radial flow, axial flow, mixed flow, and the relationship between the pump developed head with the pump discharge flow at the constant speed, in general called the pump performance characteristic. Right? What are main part of water pump? And now water pump components are hub or pulley, body, bearing, seal, impeller. That are all the main part of water pump. Which pump is more efficient? Answer is, where different pump design could be used, the centrifugal pump is generally the most economical, followed by rotary and reciprocating pump. All through positive displacement pump are generally more efficient than centrifugal pump. The benefit, higher efficiency, tend to increase the maintenance cost. What is an overhang pump? Overhang impeller, type of the impeller, mounted at the end of a shaft which is overhung from its bearing support, close the coupled pump, where impeller is mounted directly on motor shaft, separately coupled, or frame mounted, where impeller is mounted on the separate pump, the shaft supported by its one bearing. What are the type of centrifugal pump and their applications? Radial centrifugal pump, the design of the pump facilitates an outward motion flow which an impeller speed up. An axial centrifugal pump, the pump produces flow from the propelling motion of the impeller van, in other words via a utility effect. Right? Now, why vertical pump are used? Smaller footprint when compared with horizontal pump suction for applications that have restricted surface area. The net positive suction head can be altered, to making it suitable the liquid with higher pressure and higher temperature. That's the reason vertical pump are used. What is the function of pump? Classify the pump. Pump are used to transfer and distribute liquid. In various industries, pump convert mechanical energy in the hydraulic energy. What are main part of centrifugal pump? It is very important questions. Impeller. Impeller is a rotor used to increase the kinetic energy of the flow. Casing. Volume. The casing contains the liquid and act as a pressure contain vessel that direct the flow of liquid in out the centrifugal pump. Other part are shaft sealing and bearing. What is pump efficiency? Now, pump efficiency is defined as ratio of water horsepower output from the pump to the shaft horsepower input for the pump. The efficiency particular pump estimated by determining two values. The value are pump flow rate and total head. What are pump curve? The pump curve are essentially data about the given pump ability to produce flow against certain head. When you are reading a curve, the pump flow rate will be on top and bottom and its height to push on the both the side. What is difference between horizontal and vertical pump? The first and the most obvious difference is the orientation. Shaft placed horizontally typically between the bearing or overhung. Meanwhile, a vertical centrifugal pump has a shaft that is oriented vertically. The design of the shaft, radial split and overhead. What is between bearing pump? A between bearing centrifugal pump uses one or several impeller instead on shaft that is suspended at the both ends. Between the bearing and overhang centrifugal pump use impeller instead on shaft that is suspended at one end by bearing. Okay. What type of pump is chemical pump? A chemical feed pump, also known as chemical dosing pump, is a compact positive displacement pump that injects a precise amount of the chemical or other substances into water, gas or steam. It is typically part of chemical feed system that comprise a pump, multiple pump, storage tank, pipe and control panel. Which type of pump used in industries? Industrial pump is typically a heavy-duty process pump used to move many different type of products, include water, chemical, petrochemical, wastewater, oil, sludge, slurry, or food. The type of pump typically used for industrial purpose include centrifugal pump and positive displacement pump. What is pump and its type? Pump can be classified by their method or displacement in the positive displacement pump, impulse pump, velocity pump, gravity pump, steam pump and valveless pump. They are all the basic type of pump, positive displacement, centrifugal, axial flow of the pump. Now, what is difference between pump and compressor? Sometimes the word pump and compressor are used interchangeably, but there is a difference. A pump is a machine that moves a fluid, either liquid or gas, from one place to another. A compressor is a machine that squeezes a gas into a smaller volume and often pump somewhere else at the same time. What are main part of pump? Now, the main component in pump are casing, impeller, backing plate shaft and shaft seal and motor adapter. What are two type of rotary pump? The two type of rotary pump are those with single and multiple rotor flexible member flexing vanes, and they are used the media pumping and scaling is developed elasticity of the flexible vane. They can also a tube or linear. How many type of higher pump are there? Type of pump are used. The service include horizontal split case, vertical split case, vertical inline, vertical turbine and suction. This is all type of pump are there. What is unique about centrifugal pump? Centrifugal pump are unique because they can provide high or very high flow rate, much higher the most positive displacement pump, and because of their flow rate varies considerably with changes in total dynamic head of the particular piping system. Okay, then where is centrifugal pump is used? Centrifugal pump are commonly used for pumping water solvent or generate oil, acid, bases and their thin liquid in both industrial, agriculture and domestic application. In fact, there is a designed centrifugal pump suitable for virtually any application involving lower viscosity of the fluid. Which motor is used in pump? The motor used to drive the pump, typically a three-phase squirrel cage induction motor with a nameplate power rating in range 7.5 kW to 560 kW at 60 Hz. Right. What are main part of reciprocating pump? Now, Main part of reciprocating pump such as water sump, sternum, suction pipe, suction valve, cylinder, piston and piston rod, crank and connecting rod, also delivery valve. Right? Now, what are two types of hydraulic system such as open loop hydraulic system and closed loop hydraulic system? There are two types of the hydraulic system. What are 5 component hydraulic system? 5 components such as reservoir, filter, shut-off valve, control of valve, pressure relief valve, hydraulic fuses and accumulators. What is function of centrifugal pump? Centrifugal pump are used to transport fluid to conserve of the rotational kinetic energy to the hydrodynamic energy of the fluid flow. The rotational energy typically comes from engine or electric motor. They are subclasses the dynamic and asymmetric work absorbing turbo machinery. Why vacuum is created in centrifugal pump? Centrifugal pump move fluid by using centrifugal force to generate velocity of the liquid fluid enter the pump through the suction nozzle into the eye of impeller. The impeller one catches the fluid and rotate its both tangentially and radially until it exits the pump on the discharge side. Right. Now, give example of the domestic pump. Very simple. Self-primed regenerative pump, centrifugal pump, submersible pump, bore well compressor pump, pressure booster pump, shallow well pump, centrifugal monoblock pump and submersible pump. They are all such type of the domestic pump. Okay. What are advantage of centrifugal pump? Advantage such as corrosion resistance material, energy efficiency, smooth flow, proven reliability, lower maintenance, size versatility and application versatility. Why centrifugal pump is used in fire service? Centrifugal pump are most popular fire pump and classified non-positive displacement pump because they do not pump a definite amount of water with each revolution rather than type of pump impart velocity to the water and convert its pressure within the pump itself. What is unique about a centrifugal pump? Centrifugal pump are unique because they can provide a higher or very higher flow rate, much higher than the most positive displacement pump because their flow rate varies considerably which changes total dynamic head and particular piping system. How much pressure can centrifugal pump produce? It can vary between 30 and 70 psi or more. The following things centrifugal pump give accepted flow rate that you would obtain a different pipe size assuming pipe of tube is kept at the obtained different pipe size same level at the connection to the main water supply has 200 feet of the length, right? How do you calculate net positive suction head, NPSH? To calculate NPSH, available take the sources pressure at the atmospheric pressure, subtract losses from the friction within the pipeline and subtract the vapor pressure of the fluid. The result equals net positive suction head available of net positive suction head required at the system. Right? Now, what is performance characteristic of pump? The output of a pump running at a given speed is the flow rate of the developed it and head developed. Those the float on head and flow rate at a given speed form the fundamental performance characteristic of the pump. What are characteristic curve of a pump? The performance of the centrifugal pump can be shown graphically. The characteristic curve, a typical characteristic curve, shown the total dynamic head, brake horsepower, efficiency, net positive suction head, all plotted over capacity, range of the pump. What data is necessary to determine the characteristic of the pump? Flow rate. Now, see and understand the concept. Flow rate is necessary to select the pump because the head characteristic of the pump will be affected flow rate of the system. It is necessary to important measure a certain parameter since flow rate is critical in many industrial processes, especially in chemical industries. What is function of pump? A pump produces liquid, movement or flow. It does not generate pressure. It produces flow necessary for develop of the pressure which is function of resistance, the fluid flow in the system. Why head is very important parameter in the pump? Head is the light above suction inlet that pump can lift a fluid. It is shortcut measurement of the system resistance which is independent of the fluid. Specific gravity required net positive suction head important parameter for preventing cavitation in the pump. Why positive displacement pump is called positive? Reciprocating pump are called positive displacement pump since they discharge fixed amount of fluid. Every stroke, the pressure depression keep discharge valve closed since it cannot open down. What is the most common type of centrifugal pump in use? Double suction. This type of particular pump comes with double suction impeller that allow fluid to enter from the both side blade and has lower net positive suction head required. That single suction impeller, split gas pump, they are most common type of pump with double suction impeller. Okay guys, this is all solved questions. More than 42 questions are centrifugal pump we conducted today. Now in next our topic we discuss brief about centrifugal pump. Till then, goodbye and wish you a very happy Sunday. Goodbye.